What's happening, beautiful people? Your boy Sean here. So today, I'm not gonna talk about the reason why I've been off and whatnot. But anyway, let's talk about what I have today. So I was doing some research today, just playing around on TikTok. As you guys know it, I'm moving most of my traffic to TikTok ads. And since like TikTok is where it's happening right now. Not to say that Facebook is not happening because I'm still, doing well with Facebook, still running, proper traffic there. So while I was in the middle of researching, I just, discovered something really good, and I decided to shoot a video for you guys. So that I'll show you guys exactly what this is about. So it's basically a way to spy on offers, like based on CPA networks. So if you want to find out how other affiliates on Mixbounty promoting offers on TikTok or any other network that you may think of, because for now, we're going to talk about for Mixbounty and Perform CB. These are the ones that I actually searched about. So I'm sure you can use this one to spy on any other, let's call it, network, cache network, all that stuff. Because all you need is just a small, website that you need there. So let's get into it. So let's start with Mixbounty. Let's say you want one. It doesn't matter what offer. You just look at what Mixbounty has for us right here. We just want to find the link. Sorry, let me just log in. So let's look for something that's already approved. What do we have that's already approved? Probably the same. This one tries open. Let's see which one. Okay, let's just say this one for instance. Okay. Now all we need to do is we just need to go to the, we go. Let's go back again. All right. Okay, let's just do this for instance. So you click on build, whatever you want to use, doesn't matter. So all we need is just the first, this one right there. That's all we need, because when you find something like this, it simply means this is in Mixbounty affiliate link, or it's like that one which that's from. Then if you go to Perform, they have this called Zoom key. It all depends on which network you're dealing with. So now after that, we're gonna use our good old PPS. I'm sure you can also use the either, but I haven't tried it. I was just trying out today and I figured out and I decided to just share with you guys. So yeah, basically what you do is this, you start this whole thing. Alright, so what you need to do is when you log into your PPS account, mind you, PPS, they have, I think I showed you guys, okay, there's this other website that you guys need to check out, where you can get these things for the cheap. It's this one right here. It's called Group by SEO Tools. I think I'll leave it in there. So you can buy PPS for $7.95 per month. Actually, not. It's $4.95 per month. This one. So it's the group is PPS. That's what. I think it's for other things there. But basically, you're gonna pay $4.95 to get access to PPS. But sometimes there's some issues. So I personally did not get that one. I have one with them, but with this site here, I've used it maybe once or twice, but then yesterday I was having issues with them, and then they seem to be offline. So can I 100% rely on this one? No, but because sometimes you can access the PPA, sometimes you can't. But it's worth trying out. But me, I'm using the proper one, the proper PPS account. So yeah, let's get into it. So when you log into the account, first thing you need to do is come here. Since we want to check based on the links, we're going to look for people because most people on TikTok, they are actually doing direct linking. I also do direct linking most of the time. Most of the companies are direct linking. So what you need to do is you can come into a link. That's what you need to do first. You click on link, number one. Then you get the link of yours from Mixbounty. There we go. Then you come and put it right there. Then you edit, and then you save. So what's going to happen? All the ads that I've been running on TikTok by affiliates from by Mixbound affiliates, they're going to come out here. That's if they're using direct linking. Yeah, that's because if you're using a link, it won't be able to come out. So we use the same network. So fine. So here we go. So these are the campaigns that that ran on Mixbounty. So what we can do is let's try to do this and say what we can even change like when when the days and all the stuff, country. You can see there's NCP. This one is actually probably Sephlink. Yeah, it's actually Sephlink. What else do we have here? We've got some. What do you have? This is these are most probably some loans offers. All that stuff. So you can see these are 2022 videos stuff. We don't have anything for 2023 here. So yeah, that's another thing. So we don't have much. Let's go check out on Perform CB. See what's up. So it depends on the network that you're working with. So let's say you're using maybe Amberlaya and you want to promote, maybe that's the offer, the network that you're approved on. All you have to do is just do the same thing and find out what other affiliates are running on TikTok, because it's easier to run stuff on TikTok. Yeah, unfortunately, this network that I'm using at the moment is bad, so I'm waiting for an upgrade from this tool here. I got the the equipment yesterday, but the guys haven't configured. This one is running at 20 megabytes per second. Can you imagine, like 220 Mbps? That's like super fucked up. Anyways, so let's look at this now. Because of network, that's why I haven't been recording this, guys. That's the reason why I haven't been recording lately, because the network that I'm using at the moment is really bad, guys. It's really bad. So, I mean, what you're gonna see here, you're gonna see mostly my ads at the end of the day. These are all my companies. All these are all my companies. This is not mine. This is mine. Yeah, this is mine. This is mine. These are my pages. This is mine. This is mine. I've never used this. So here we go. You can see there's a lot of people running. This is mine also. This is mine also. This is mine also. Mine. Oh my God! What was I doing here? Take it to Canada. Is this mine for real? Nah, let me confirm this. Anyway, just for the sake of time, I didn't want this video to go. So yeah, I'm not gonna say too much, because look at this. This is page 2. There's a lot of stuff, so I can really go in there, figure out how other people are running. And this information that I'm showing you guys is really powerful. You have to really take this one seriously, because this is right now is tax season. If file is for tax refund, there's this offer on Mixbound. The tax refund offer is there. You can just check this one out, get your refund ASAP. So I'm running for 2 days, which means February 8th yesterday. Yeah, it's not bad, so you can play around it. What else do we have? You shouldn't check mine, because this one is now not as easy as it used to, because I'm using an iPhone inside here. So TikTok doesn't like that, so they're actually terminating and suspending accounts that are using this stuff. So I'm not saying take this one. Yeah, I make good money from this one. As you can see, this one, where this one from the 18th of December, and the ad account got suspended on the 4th of February. Got 337 stuff. These are all mine. 1, 2, 3. Yes. Let's look at this one. How much stuff we have? Spend how much on this one? Well, if network was alright, you'll be able to see all this, but unfortunately you can't. So anyway, guys, I hope this helps out. Remember, it's just simple. Just do that. Whatever traffic source you're using, just come here, put that shit. Remember the first from https2.com. https2.com. Yeah, so I'll probably spend posting some other new stuff soon. Because the internet guys promised that there was some issue at my fiber station in my area. So I'm hoping they'll come fix it out today. If they do, once I get my internet up and running, I'm gonna be giving you guys more content and stuff like that. So yeah, just stay tuned, guys. Okay, I hope you guys are well. Bye.